Hello, Washington County. You might wonder about some of the military-looking trucks that fire departments around Washington County have to fight fires. The Texas Forest Service gets these trucks from the U.S. Military Surplus Program. Fire departments then apply for the trucks through the grants. The local fire departments then pay to have the trucks painted and outfitted with lights and water tanks. In addition to fighting fires, these trucks can also be used for high water rescue. One of the trucks, an LMTV, was found to be not cooling properly. The truck has a way to turn the engine fan off so the truck can run through high water. This is a complex air over electric system. Air pressure is used to engage the clutch on the engine so the fan will turn. Travel along as we repair the switch.
Here's the bottom view. Fan is freewheeling. We need the fan to spin. This is the air clutch right here. So once we get air pressure to flow through, then we should have spinning fan and it'll lock up. Right now it doesn't lock up, therefore it doesn't spin. So this is the solenoid here. This is the airline coming in, airline going out. Once the solenoid engages, air goes through the solenoid down to the clutch on the fan, fan spins. That's not happening right now. So we're gonna fix that with this new larger solenoid. So we're gonna have to get some adapters and make it all work. So new solenoid, which should replace that solenoid. Hopefully we have all the adapters. Alright, so I didn't really turn it on and run it, but what I did do was, if you'll remember, the fan was free spinning out. Now it's locked up because air is going to the clutch. Alright, here's a quick what transpired. And this was the little bitty valve that broke. And so we took that out and replaced it with this really large valve. Same thing, out to the input. This is on there tight. We flipped the master switch on the truck, the fan locked up, and so I think we're going to button it back up and I think we're good to go. Thanks for watching.